Licchavi clan belongs to which Mahajanapada? It belongs to Vajji Mahajanapada. Vaishali, the capital and the homeland of Licchavis, was also known as the capital of Vajji Janapada. Which Pitaka deals with the monastic rulers of monks and nuns? Vinaya Pitaka deals with the monastic rules for monks and nuns. Vinaya Pitaka means basket of discipline. It is the oldest and smallest of the three sections of Buddhist canonical Tipitaka, which is called as triple basket. Which Greek ruler has sent Megasthenes as the ambassador to the court of Chandragupta? Seleucus Nicator has sent Megasthenes as the ambassador to the court of Chandragupta. Ozone depletion is greatest near. Ozone depletion is greatest near poles. Ozone depletion at South Pole occurs mainly in late winter and early spring. In which state the Koyna Dam is situated? Koyna Dam is situated in Maharashtra state. It is the rubble concrete dam constructed on Koyna River, Satara district. What is the latitude of equator? Let's see what is latitude. Latitude is a geographic coordinate that specifies the north-south position of a point on earth. The latitude of equator is 0 degrees and the latitude of poles is 90 degrees. Who is responsible for collecting tax? Central Excise Department is responsible for collecting tax. It was established in the year 1855 by the then British Governor General of India. At what frequency Sensex calculation is carried out? Sensex calculation is carried out at real-time frequency of 15 seconds. The process by which the monetary authority of a country controls the supply of money is known as monetary policy. Democratic centralism is an important feature of a communist state. It is a practice in which political decisions reached by voting process are binding upon all the members of the political party. From the following, who was the first woman speaker of Lok Sabha? Meera Kumar is the first woman speaker of Lok Sabha from the given options. She is the 15th speaker of Lok Sabha. Department of Internal Security comes under which ministry? Department of Internal Security comes under the Ministry of Home Affairs. Which of the following is the largest known cell? Ostrich eggs is the largest known cell. It is 20 times heavier than chicken eggs. Which of the following are also called as vascular plants? Vascular plants are also called as tracheophyta. Vascular plants use specialized tissue for transporting food and water to different areas in the plant. It is also known as tracheophyta. Which chemical is present in nail polish remover? Acetone is present in nail polish remover. The formula of acetone is C3H6O. Friends, we are providing 140 SSC mocks for Rs 249. Please do visit our website cracku.in and enroll for these mocks for your better practice and best score. We are even providing 2 free mocks for CGL, CHSL and MTS. Please do try the mocks. Which of the following law gives the relation PV is equals to K constant? Boyle's law tells us that pressure is inversely proportional to volume at constant temperature. That is PV is equals to K. Robert Boyle has given this law in the year 1662. The medium through which the light can pass partially is called dash medium. It is called as translucent medium. The medium through which light cannot pass is called as opaque medium. Which can pass is called as transparent medium. The force of attraction between similar kind of molecules is called as. The force of attraction between similar molecules is called as force of cohesion. Between different kind of molecules is called as adhesion. that is force of adhesion. Chakma, a tribal community, belongs to which state? It belongs to Tripura state. Jainism was founded by Nataputta Mahavira. When sending an email, which line describes the contents of the message? Subject describes the contents of the message. Burra Chapori Wildlife Sanctuary is located in which of the following states? It is located in Assam state. It is located on the south bank of the river Brahmaputra in Sontipur district. It became sanctuary in the year 1995. Who invented genetics in 1866? John Gregor Mendel has invented genetics in the year 1866. What is the expected GDP growth of India for the financial year 2020-2021 as per CRISIL? It is -9%. Former Health Minister Suresh Amonkar died of COVID-19 infection. He was the former Health Minister of which of the following states? He was the former Health Minister of Goa. Hope you liked the video. Please do like, share and subscribe to our channel for more video content and hit the bell icon for daily updates. Thank you.